Hello kids! Today we will learn how to draw a bike. Let's get started. Grab your pen and paper and start drawing with me. First I'm going to draw our bike's body. Draw with me kids. Now I'm going to draw wheel for our bike. Great job kids! And one headlight. Great! Now I'm going to enhance our picture. Great! Now our picture is more visible to us. It's coloring time kids. Wow! We have so many colors. Let's color our picture. Pink color. Purple color. Light green color. Orange color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Great job kids! Our picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.